Hi there. I'm Adam, General Manager here at Studio Wellness. First of all, congratulations on staying consistent with your wellness journey. Taking your weekly Trimtide shot is an important step, and you should be proud of yourself for showing up for your health. In this video, we'll walk you through your weekly Trimtide injection process. Michelle will be guiding you step by step so you feel confident, comfortable, and safe each time you take your shot.
Hi, I am Michelle, and today I will be guiding you through the following topics. Let's prepare and gather the things we need. First is our Trimtide vial. Next, alcohol pads. And of course, our weekly syringe. They're the syringes labeled for weekly use. Let's now sanitize our Trimtide vial. Let's open an alcohol pad. Then let's sanitize the top of the vial. Set it aside and let it dry. Let's now draw our Trimtide. First, let's make sure the top is dry. Next, let's slowly and carefully uncap the weekly syringe. Make sure the needle doesn't touch anything. Get your Trimtide vial and insert the needle in the center. Turn the vial upside down and start pulling down the plunger. Draw your designed units. Refer to the screen for the exact units for your dose. Take the needle out carefully. You may tap or flick the syringe barrel to remove bubbles. Let's choose our injection site. You can inject on the fatty areas of your abdomen, the fatty areas of your thigh, and the fatty areas of the back of your arm. Once you've chosen an injection site, get an alcohol pad and wipe the area. Let it dry. Pinch a good amount of fat. Hold your syringe like a dart and insert the needle. Slowly push the plunger in. When done, slowly pull it out. Injecting yourself can be intimidating. Here are some ways to prepare yourself. First, you need to wash hands properly. This makes sure we are safe from contamination. Before injecting, you can also ice the skin so it will be numb. Rotate your injection sites often so your skin won't be too stressed. That completes your Trimtide weekly injection. If you experience any side effects, have questions about your dose, or need support at any point, please contact us using the details shown on your screen. We're here to guide you and support your progress.